Hey, get ready, mugs. We're going for a night on a cruise ship with the Marx brothers.
Say, I don't know about that, Mo. Those guys are a little crazy.
Oh, I resemble that, me Mark.
Yeah, Mo. Them guys ain't got dignity like we do. They ain't educated like we am. Well, listen, Mo. We'll meet you on the ship at 8 o'clock. Chico will be tuning his piano. Harpo and I will tune and fish. Actually, I'd rather have a hamburger and some liverwurst.
Monsieur, here come those four crazy guys. Where's our father, brothers at, boy?
Yes, it is I, Zeppo, singer, extraordinary engineer, and the handsomest of the Marx brothers.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I'm very fine. The best looking Stooge.
Hey, get out of here, porcupine. I'm the best looking stooge.
Oh, you 7 guys are driving me to drink. I'll have a champagne cocktail. Hold the feathers. Ruff, ruff. Woo.
Well, that's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard.
He's a say the most handsome of all of us.
Listen, porcupine. I'll smack the 7 of you. Listen, Mo. I don't like violins. Actually, I prefer the guitar. Say, did the quiet guy cut your cheese?
You know what they say, Mo? He who smelt it dealt it. Oh, monsieur, now he's a mad.
Say, that's how he cut the provolone.
Mo, Larry, he got the cheese. Mo, Larry, he got the cheese.
Well, if you ask me, this ship just stank. I mean, sank.